After surface grinding concrete, the fine dust that's created during the grinding process can be removed by a vacuum wand. The floor is left pretty clean. What's being shown here is a Shotblaster as it's used to remove the rest of the dust that the vacuum wand could not remove. This is done by a process of agitation of the surface through the Shotblaster and the steel media that it shoots to the surface, and then under negative pressure, lifts and recovers the fine dust. The floor as a result becomes more clean and open for the next treatment, which will be a coating. This area will receive a water-based epoxy primer. Similar to the last application, the fine dust is removed by a vacuum wand, and then shot blasting is used to remove the rest of the dust that the wand could not remove. The floor becomes noticeably cleaner and therefore more open, so that the coating that's applied will have a cleaner canvas to absorb into and achieve maximum adhesion with the surface of that concrete. This is an instance of a concrete floor that's been previously diamond ground and wand vacuumed to remove the dust that's been made by the grinding. And the Shotblaster is again being used to recover the dust that the vacuum wand simply could not fully remove. It is becoming noticeably cleaner and therefore more porous and ready to receive that coating. This is another floor that also has been previously diamond ground and wand vacuumed to recover the surface dust. The Shotblaster again is being used to agitate that dust, lift it from the pores of the concrete, and make it more ready to receive the coating treatment that's going to follow. In this case, it will be a epoxy primer, followed by a metallic marble finish, also done with 100% solids epoxy. The floor becomes noticeably cleaner as that grinding dust is removed from the surface of the concrete. With a cleaner canvas, of course, then that means there is nothing trapped between the epoxy coating and the concrete matrix. This ensures that the surface bond of the coating is attaining a maximum adhesion, which of course is going to increase the longevity of the floor, as well as limit any likelihood that there will be moisture issues that can get trapped between the concrete and the coating. It's a simple dust-free process that cleans the floor quickly and effectively. This is another floor that's been previously ground, wand vacuumed, and is being shot blasted to recover the dust that the wand vacuuming simply could not. This is a floor that will receive 100% solids epoxy primer and then 100% solids epoxy flake. And that's about it. This is a representation of the typical dedusting process to recover the dust from the surface of the concrete that wand vacuuming will leave behind and just doesn't have the ability to recover. The shot blasting does.